Grady, what is it that makes the planet spin?
Well, if you take a look at it, and I know it's too easy to say, but God does. Uh, God started the Earth's rotation in Genesis chapter 1, verse 2. If you take a look at Genesis chapter 1, verse 2, it is dark because God has not yet created light. He doesn't create light until verse 3. But when it says that the Holy Spirit is moving over the surface of the waters, it's an agricultural term talking about how a chicken broods an egg. Now, how does a chicken brood an egg? She creates the egg, she warms it on one side for a while, and then she rotates the egg. And so verse 2 is where God starts the rotation of the earth. Now, on the fourth day, he will create the sun, the moon, the stars, and all of these objects rotate, for the most part anyway. I would point out, however, that there are planets that actually spin in the opposite direction to others in the same solar system. There are moons that are, again, prograde, retrograde, meaning that they orbit in one direction and the other around the same planet. And this would be contradictory to an evolutionary view, because in a quote unquote Big Bang scenario, which has been scientifically disproven, all objects should spin in the same direction. But because we have objects in our solar system and in the universe that spin in both directions, and some moons, for instance, spin in the right direction, but they orbit in the wrong direction around the same planet, this is actually proof of creation and refutes evolution.